Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a sliding cutter. First, always ensure your work surface is stable and clear. A sliding cutter is a fantastic tool for achieving perfectly straight lines on materials like paper, cardstock, and even thin laminates. It offers superior precision and safety compared to traditional cutting methods, making it a valuable addition to any crafting or office setup. We will cover everything from setup to maintenance. Before making any cut, proper material preparation is crucial for accuracy. Lay your material, such as a sheet of paper, flat against the cutter's guide rail. Carefully align the edge you wish to cut with the measurement markings on the base, ensuring it is perfectly straight. Use the integrated clamp or your hand to hold the material firmly in place, preventing any movement that could lead to an uneven cut. Now let's make the cut. With your material secured, gently press down on the cutting head to engage the blade with the material. Then, smoothly slide the cutting head along the guide rail from one end to the other. Maintain consistent, even pressure throughout the entire motion to ensure a clean, crisp edge. Avoid rushing the cut. A steady hand yields the best results every time. Proper care extends the life of your sliding cutter and ensures continued performance. After each use, wipe down the cutting surface and guide rail to remove any paper dust or debris. Replace the blade when you notice cuts becoming less clean or if you need to apply excessive force, typically after several hundred cuts. Store your cutter in a clean, dry environment away from direct sunlight to maintain its precision and sharpness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.